In the diagram, R, X, T are points on a circle with center O. Find the relationship between X and Y. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. We have angle ROX as X and angle RTX as Y. The question wants us to find the relationship between X and Y. Let's join point R to point X to form the chord RX. One of the theorems of a circle says that in a circle, the angle a chord subtends at the center of the circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. So in this circle, the angle the chord RS subtends at the center of the circle, which is the angle ROX, which is given to us as X, is twice or 2 times the angle it subtends at the circumference, which is the angle RTX, given to us as Y. So this means that angle ROX is equal to 2 times angle RTX. Angle ROX is X and angle RTX is Y. So X is equal to 2 times Y. 2 times Y will give us 2Y, and so X is equal to 2Y. So the relationship between X and Y is X is equal to 2Y. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.